nar malakan yam ka nas dialton kontin baro anyeling kwaseme bana job me bana jaling ka kwi ezekiel gatkuoth kan honorable Adut kiir mayadit bana job danen shalat gwaseme ka kwi dien eno bana jaling kel gorjen wode kon lerti de kon kaling ka do badana shika tuoka je kos gor kon ban kon lat ko den bana ka ngach right kenyam andaman do ni cham kon nyak ano gorjen ba raja chalat gwaseme ka kwi ezekiel kana Adut ana beja nyaka yekel ko te ka don wan long to lat ko den gwaseme to ko liang biadil ngajeno ezekiel la kwar medite ne ka gwase dan but akan kono katin ko kenen content bana link kwidian gwaseme chana mesha lat gwaseme chana jemen kwen bakel nako gor kono de kono tok de kono ngaj right ka kwi kwar Nuer kono intere yuke juba ngum let kene ngum to ke and all that gor kono de kono link chana message me chana jemen kwen kel ka do badan en shajalat ke je okay Roger Lincoln Magwasme Name, you know, this one. A message Micha Roger Michalat Nathan Contin La Quar, sorry, Nathan Contin take a penny, and I said voice of Juba. I take a job Michalat Gwasme, you know, Joe May, Jen former Petroleum Minister Ezekiel pay a courtesy visit to the presidential advisor on a special program, Honorable Adut kiir mayadit. They went ahead and said Ezekiel has remained without a government post since he's dismissed by President Kiir in June 2019. Michelle Ngwasemene ala Ezekiel Jen charge join ke 2019. Cha wujre kwara lo tele kwarme jaga ka kuma kiir mayadit right now right corner. And voice of Juba dungjane, you know, ngay kan mana lerode taken ga chon ko lar kano Ezekiel no teleje position no de kon kular no sheremi Ezekiel were witchen winemi ka kiwe kutta Adut ko dong dere kom dere je gor, you know, and all that mi nanga ye jok kemi dan shoda la ne ko gwa sedan no tege jo mi chalat kiir mayadit ne jo mo cherwajen wone ne jin me kene wom wagdu me kene jo konlat no chikume cheje bengich whatever you do charge bengich unless your assignment dung kume she konlat ngai kona malat ke kiir mayadit gorjen wojin bishe more bika konak Jaji become come Laura Bang, a young come, you know, a non come me, I take a G, Chairman talk. Me can and Nuer Kenica corner, gather down at eating, a Kenica conmark, you know, so be you participate Qatar and Nakan, so by you could recognize a gen government doing South Sudan more. So ta Ezekiel Lol Moka Jere, which, you know, be a no, Chowre will Laura Bang, you know, Chowka Muktav Nyam Shalkama Adut. We kamukta mo ko jen gore jen wode je recognize no a valuable asset re kuma ka South Sudan ko jen medan a kwermedit, okay, a kwermedit along so en wo ba je pel no bang no charge mu ka position no logo je ko jen a kwermedit mo ngai ken won no cha no no jendong dele te lora bang ki she gurno der te lora bang chire ngai kone so jen a kwermela petroleum minister ka kor gwade dane shewa dio je ngai kone many years cha led along ne ka gwade dane che ne ka 2016 meje kor meje talk no jen kana tabane che kon chunga ne lo shunkan kel ke kir ka gwase dan meje kor meje talk ja. So mishit kana mo and then chwa Ezekiel chwa kwany lo ram la kwer and kwere ajala kwer dung jat kamo ano ke 2016 medan meche kor meche tore wiki Juba kam Dr. Machar kana kiir mayadit gwade dan en Ezekiel te kel kene Dr. Machar ke taban de ngai ti ku je kelo no me chi na chi ke jien chi ore ku ju banden chi kon kore dan chi ore lan me chi ga ke nyogo tuong nyok gwa de dan e kwa de ni Dr. Machar kwa la jo erar kara mi shit ke iskelol no jenteten ko kan kware konte lat kamale kene taban kene to kokien ano dong de rodin lo wel ano biken Dr. Machar biken la ban pin bugo lo chonkel ke kir gwase dan che wina che jege so kwai kamandan en la roda so na money me chicken me chicken chu lat ka kir me yadit ke that time and gwada money chu ezekiel lol ay kwany ala Minister of Petroleum chu kwany ala Minister of Petroleum no chu kwer mo chu jakef kebeje ko chatiai ko kume Dr. Machar chaja keb lora bang ka kwigo jin me jiram me chi Dr. Machar she loke she chelar no ring Machar she kwer then by any mean bajidil nok a kir biyigwich tikir che pelora bang be ying moy ka position be yi kam position down and gori so namo jake Ezekiel Lulko Bala one of the people that support Kir at that time ngai kone ano jin chai kwanya la kwar la tuok ala gwaye long ano jin beletin konen gorke de lat no bikalat so taye dane chire ke to jere wiki juba meje kor meje tok che chance mdi te kam Ezekiel Lul ko taye dane chalat keje ke 2017 no chwe led along ka chwe tungwan connection wan chokalat ko bi oil market ballet let ke China National Petroleum Corporation let ke Malaysian Patrons and India Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ne ideality itaban sorry she is ke lo chelet kakakel so en me chalat ya gorno ba jat ba ko gwade okay cause chabadak on November 23 2018 South African Minister of Energy Jeff Radebe on a working trip went to working in Juba, South Sudan announced the signing of a memorandum of understanding between South Africa and South Sudan. We would see investment in the South Sudan oil sector was USD 1 billion, including the construction of an oil refinery, and would also involve South Africa taking part in the exploration of several oil blocks, an avenue for construction of a pipeline in South Sudan of the country. Ezekiel South Sudan implementation of that agreement. That was November 23rd, 2018. Ezekiel Chelet. Gwade baje boy keje nating one quick and mandane show the lot, but ngay kona kirma yadit la reshuffling la lede. It doesn't matter chimuga shilat wale kenny lat so by any mean beje watch. So Ezekiel chechu can tell a position mishajek. Yaje chu remove ke 2019 ka paying one. Okay. But tell me I indicate ka do be dana wo keje ka kwermo ka kwerete ne very important along. Right now jen sha kulen gwasment kamen to kono kwen gwasment chal gor nediti potential ke Voice of Juba lat kenen Ezekiel cho kut nyame chal ke me Adut ka we kude maybe don't go no de jamo ka position. Jen Kukalaro and former Petroleum Minister Ezekiel Lul pay a courtesy visit to the presidential advisor on a special program. Honorable Adut Kiir. And your pingwaz Michigan indicated no Ezekiel has remained without a government post since his dismissal by the President Salva Kiir in June 2019. It was maybe June but April there. So no more Shimishane che ezekiel che jago bere men jobless lo tele lat chang men take decision making the one dio je che konjo che kon ling medan che Nuer che ka cholo no ke terrorist organization. I think chi sha nga medan e shalat ajana Nuer waya mi ke terrorist so ka family ne ka Nuera agan Nuera so dar len Nueri ka baden wo dar ka cholo no ke terrorist organization beje long. So even right now and quarter more jatin ram go je Nueri ka ta dan ndong che Nueri che ka jogo no. And it does not matter in the end of the day and Nuer jante michi kan jen tamare ke juba dara lari kake, but here is not what we are here for, right? That's not what we are talking about. Mara kono kwide ezekiel lol choje kana adut nya kwaran pa kwan la presidential envoy ke special program so enaran gori jeno boje ke nyame ko ba jo advice bo ko do dan der won yam kaja ko jan a new office gentlemen te behind door on the decision making process la ka lede la idea nga la ka to ba gentlemen cha ka bana lat karar ba ngaj bat to ba idea ne ke sko kwerwon so cha de den ngo ku me dong tel te ko ken cha ne te lat ke pin so lo ka gwan kir ma yadit so jo me gwi ke jen wo dong bi ezekiel lol dong bro je position ko dong de je recognize but me cha lar kir no jin mekeni mandana gorke ku mekeni konlat so cha jimo ko position so me jak ne te ko ken ko binat bi ke dwal bo ko jin bine ko kono nak bine ko bu kono joy gona ko tek ten bay ko mo ko position. Of course ezekiel che wak che bure be che jedek nasir che jedek ko bure be che jedek den che bure be che kep shire me cha lar ne ke television ro ja no bure be ma baja kep ko bure be jana agwan mo gwa mete lat ke market ko jan gwada la bon la ken jel ke jam kana kono wante gare wajin wano so ko jan position mo agwan medin mo ke so che da ku kon lu kujino dong me ramba mo ke position or not ko tele government post mchana come right now check no man take le ko ken le de so ku kon position dan teten so jo me jan dan go ren wo de nyora ye kele no Adut antame je kana nga je kana ezekiel lol a ezekiel lol cho ku da gwada dan teten ko muktäpdä kwala kwina outcome no ngum chikano discuss but ka jawon chalat gwasma biya ngaje no chika right ka che gul so ajano biya ngani no michi ezekiel cho wen mo then te kama ku goreja so jo me goreja no de je nywa yekel kama nan shoda lat mi jiram jidit gwasma ka Nuer online TV channel gore no jin bi nywa ne ko ken an biya ta kamal ban je mu din babay